interesting building, which is a place of the International Court of Justice in Hague, Holland. Nice place. Many years ago I used to give the lectures. So, about the Jewish communities, and now I don't think that's all. So, what is going on now? Everyone knows the news, right? The news that Mahmud Abbas, Abu Mazen, he applied to this court, to international court, and asked to judge Israel. They took their land. Definitely speak about it. Anybody does not live in the Torah comes in such similar complaint, even the leftists in Israel. So, let us see what the Bible code says. The Bible code is a blueprint of creation, everything is there. So let us see what I found. So the first thing, definitely could not find the old sentence, the International Court of Justice, but I found Beit Din, which is a court in Hague. Also could not come in a sentence, lot of letters. So this is meeting of Beit Din, the court, in Hague, and no, who was this one who asked the court to judge Israel for conquering their land? Mahmud Abbas. Also could not come in one sentence, but you have here Abbas and Mahmud. Just now I will explain to you that it appears exactly it looked like in the right place. So, what we have here more? So again, Beit Din, Beit Din, the court in Hague, and Abbas, by the way, it's amazing, it comes Abbas, Oivechem, he's your enemy, definitely his enemy. He claims that Israel are conquerors, they took their land. And this is Abbas, his first name is Mahmud, comes in the same lane, also we say, Oivenu Plilim, our enemies are judging us. Plilim is judging. Oivenu Plilim, who are those? Mahmud Abbas, and parallel, the Palestinian Authority. Palestinian Authority. Right, Reshut, unbelievable. So, they are judging Israel, claiming that the land is theirs. So comes Israel against Israel, and unbelievable, somehow here with sons of Joseph. Because this really claim against Israel is also again Messiah, son of Joseph, where we are now in this time. He is this one who really doing everything the Jews will come back to their land, right? And those Abbas disturb it. But definitely, there is condition that the Jews will come back to their land. They will not have problem from terrorists. תשמרו את מצוות השם אלוקיכם. You keep the commandments of God, judgment, אשר ציווך, which he commanded you in Sinai, ועשיתם מהשעה. Do the straight thing and the good one in the eyes of God. No, definitely, yeah. So, you have also PLO on top. So it's unbelievable, right? To see clearly message from heaven that this court of the International Court of Justice against Israel by the enemies of Israel, amazing. Clearly the Torah says here of any prelim that when you will not keep the Torah, your enemies will judge you. Also the same thing with the Orthodox Jews, the enemies of Judaism, of the Torah, are judging them like Derry, Mr. Derry, the same thing, unbelievable. Maybe it goes together because of this court that they are doing against Derry, against really Orthodox Jews, Torah. So this way of this International Court of Justice against Israel. Everything is from heaven. So, what you see here is unbelievable, as I said. Interesting meeting of the Beit Din, in Hague, yeah. Ooh, this is so interesting. They come here, Abbas, with the right thing, So what is really important in Bible code that you see that the content, the position is the right position. So to have Abbas, as you see here, yeah, Abbas, with enemies, yeah, really with enemies, comes with enemies, and this is, here you see Abbas in black, Oivechem is your enemy, and here you have Mahmud on the same line when our judges, our enemy is judging us, which is exactly what he's going to do. And who was this? He's the head of Russia, the Palestinian Authority, right? So, interesting and relevant and important table for our time, really. These are very significant times and things which are going on far away from being coincidence. And this is after sabbatical, we saw clearly, after sabbatical the Messiah is waiting. He's waiting for Jews who are stiff-necked, what he can do. It's difficult for them to rest on Shabbos. They want to go to travel to see nice faces on Shabbos going around, and unfortunately, very severe sin. The Melech came to attack Israel in the desert, as our Rabbi said, when the desecrated Shabbos, when they ask questions, is God with us? When they lack faith in God. Amalek came to remind them, there is a God, you have to pray to God to save you. Then, unfortunately, they were very loose in doing mitzvot commandments. In Refadim, again, Amalek came. This is exactly what is happening now. If he's not strong faith in God, if he does the creation of Shabbos or holy thing, then this is what we see today, The enemies of Israel, the Palestinians, the terrorists, Abbas, you see, they're trying to do everything that Israel will not be able to settle properly and peacefully in their land. No, definitely. If you don't keep the Torah says, if you keep my laws, in fact, even you have here, clearly is written here in this place, that if you will keep the Torah, you will peace, v'ishbati chaya min haaretz, I will eradicate evil animals from the land, like these terrorists, v'cherev lo tavor ba'artzachem, and sword will not go in your land, no terrorists. So, this is if you keep the Torah, but if not, there are 98 curses, which also in this place, in the Holocaust, it came out because you did not keep the Torah, exactly the same idea, the reform and so on. So interesting and significant and relevant table to our time.